Okay, picture this. Pakistan's trending right now, and not just on social media. I'm talking about what's hot, what everyone's talking about, and what's changing the game. Let's count down the top 5 trends that are blowing up in Pakistan this month.
At number 5, it's all about cricket fever. Yeah, I know cricket is always big in Pakistan, but with the national team making waves in the latest international series, the hype is unreal. Stadiums packed, screens everywhere, and even rooftop parties, all just to catch a glimpse of the action. If you're not talking about cricket, are you even in Pakistan right now? Number 4, online businesses are booming. From home-based bakers to sneaker resellers, everyone is hustling online. Instagram stores, TikTok live sales, you name it. People are turning their hobbies into side hustles, and some are making it big. So if you've got a skill, now's the time to cash in. Coming in at 3, the digital payment revolution. It's like cash is old news. Mobile wallets like JazzCash and Easy Paisa are everywhere, even at your local chai dhaba. Need to split a bill with friends? Just scan and pay. Your phone literally is your wallet now. The future is here and it's cashless.
Number 2. Pakistani fashion is having a serious moment. Local brands are dropping new collections, influencers are serving major looks, and everyone is in on the trend. Summer lawn suits, statement streetwear, and even vintage thrift shops are all the rage. If your wardrobe isn't getting a glow up, you're missing out. And finally, number 1. The rise of Pakistani content creators. From YouTube to Instagram to TikTok, creators are getting millions of views and even international shout-outs. Comedy skits, vlogs, food reviews, and travel diaries. There's something for everyone. And the best part? These creators are putting Pakistan on the global map, one viral video at a time. So there you have it. The top 5 trends shaking up Pakistan right now. Cricket, online hustles, digital payments, fashion, and content creators are all turning up the heat. Which trend are you most excited about? Or maybe you're starting the next big thing. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what's trending in your world. If you enjoyed this quick countdown, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss what's hot and happening. Thanks for hanging out with me, and stay tuned for more updates, because in Pakistan the trends never stop.